Take command of the road in the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including heated seats, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.